Here's how to get verified on Apex Markets quick and easy. Small mistakes cause major delays. Here's how to fix it. Make sure your documents are clear, not covered or blurry. Make sure your document is not expired. When taking a photo of your ID or a selfie with your face beside the ID, don't cover any information. Hold your document from the side so that all information is visible and easy to read. Submit the full, uncropped, uncovered document. When asked to sign signature, try to draw your signature the same or as close to the signature on your ID as possible. You can do this by either turning your phone horizontally so you have more space on the signing pad to sign, or sign on a blank sheet of paper with no lines and upload the signed signature to be verified. Check all documents before uploading to ensure they meet all the criteria of not being blurry, not expired, and that all information is shown clearly. Then submit, and you should be verified quickly and easily. Still waiting? Don't stress. Reach out to our customer service via live chat on our website or email us at support@apexmarkets.io. Most verification issues get resolved within minutes once you contact our team. Don't let paperwork hold you back. Visit apexmarkets.io to contact us now, and we'll guide you through the fastest way to get approved today.